How to refer Epic Games Refer a Friend. To use the Epic Games Refer a Friend function or feature, first of all, you have to participate. So go ahead and launch your device's web browser and then go to Epic Games Refer a Friend web portal. Once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on this and then proceed to log into your account. Once you log in, you simply have to now select and add up to 5 eligible friends from your in-game friends list directly onto the website itself. And also ensure your referred friends are new or returning players who played less than 2 hours of core Fortnite modes within the past 30 days. And then launch the game and complete the specific task as a team, such as playing matches, placing in the top 10, getting eliminations, and gaining account levels to unlock your free in-game items. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.